Hello ghouls, welcome back to yet another episode of Horror Hooch. It's a show where I make horror themed cocktails. Simple as that. If you're new here, hi, I'm Haley Adams. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I hope you like what you see. If you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you want to become a horror hound, we have fun here. And if you're a returning viewer, as long as you're not Paul, I'm glad you're here. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. We're doing something a little bit different today. Today, we are doing two shots. We are doing the Freddy versus Jason shot. Hooray! We're going to start with the Freddy shot, so get Jason the hell out of here. Get out of here, Jason. Get to you in a second. So for Freddy, you are going to start with cinnamon whiskey, because it makes sense, right? This one's even called fire. No, I don't have actual fireball. I'm sorry. I'm a bad 20-something, I know. And you were just gonna not do that. I've never used this before. That's what Freddy would have wanted. Okay, after you've cleaned up your mess, you're going to add cherry juice on top of that. Shake it. On the white carpet, we know this is a recurring theme of me making red drinks on my white ass carpet. Doesn't that look so evil and lovely? It's perfect. Now, it is the Freddy shot, and that's going to be a bit too sweet, and he's not a sweet man, so we are adding bitters. Haha, get it? Just a dash. Now, normally you would make this like in a shaker with ice, but I didn't want to make a drink, go wash the shaker, and then come back, and then have to wash the shaker again. We're being a little bit lazy, I'm sorry. So we're just going to give that a bit of a stir, and that's it for the Freddy shot. Alright, now it's Jason's turn. I realize my shot glasses are not nearly the same size. You guys, I didn't have another clear shot glass. So, I'm not filling this up all the way, but if you do it in a normal shot glass, do your thing. I don't care what you do. Actually, I do. I care that you are a good person, says me, who is the horror hostess of this channel. You get it. So for the Jason shot, you're going to take some raspberry vodka, because for Freddy, we can kind of emulate Freddy, like he is spicy, because he got a wee bit crispy. Jason, we can't really emulate him with a taste, because if you were, just go to the lake and stick a straw in there, and that's nasty. Nobody wants that. So instead, we're making a more summery themed drink for him, because summer camp, So raspberry vodka, that's the base. Fill that bad boy on up like that, and then the body is going to be some lemonade. You guys, this is the best lemonade. Just saying. I said I wasn't going to fill this up. It's filled. Now, because Jason, blood, red, we're going back in with that cherry juice again. And we're topping it off. Ooh. I love how that looks. And there you have it. Simple, right? Fun for your next watch party. Before we taste them, let's talk about Freddy vs. Jason, because people have a lot of shit to say about that movie. I think it's a masterpiece. It's so stupid. I am well aware. But it is so much fun to watch that I find it forgivable. Like, you got like this 9-hour, yeah, I know, not 9 hour, 9-hour drama of someone just slowly going insane, and everybody is like, oh my god, this is the best movie I've ever seen. And I'm like, yeah, but I was bored. Hour and a half, fun time. I enjoyed it. This was actually the first movie that ever like terrified me, because I was at a sleepover and it should not have been on. I was like 7, and I watched the end of it, and I saw the like iconic Kelly Rowland scene first. I didn't understand that she was saying slurs for half of that scene, but I was traumatized. And you know what? Freddy Krueger is scared the shit out of me as a child. Because in this mall where I lived, do you guys remember Planet Hollywood? It was like a restaurant. Well, the restaurant wasn't there anymore, but they left all the costumes just like in this little area. And there was a giant Freddy costume. Now, I would think that's the greatest thing ever, but no, it seriously, it traumatized me, but here we are. Who would have thought that this is my life now? What would you guys like to see as a versus movie? Me personally, I would die for Chucky versus Freddy because both of them are so slick out in the mouth. They're just gonna sass each other to death the entire time, but also I think it would really work. What do you guys think? Please let me know down below. Now we're gonna actually taste them, and then they're shots, so I'm gonna shoot them after I make sure they taste good. So here's Freddy. That would be great to take to a Christmas party, so like keep that in your brain for the next like, I don't know, 7 months. More than that. Oh, it was exactly that. I'm smart. Ooh, and that is perfect for now, for hanging out at the pool. So, the raspberry vodka kind of makes that taste like cotton candy. Maybe I should have used that for my killer clowns cocktail. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. We're going to shoot them now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da. There you go, bitch. I love how Freddy always says bitch. I should start doing that more often. There you go, bitch. That is the Freddy versus Jason shot. If you try this, please let me know what you think. If you are itching for more spooky content between my uploads, you can find me on TikTok and Instagram at its_Haley Adams there, just like it is here. Thank you guys so much for watching today. We'll see you guys in the next video. Do something spooky, and I will be visiting you tonight in your dreams. Bitch. Just like Freddy. Bitch. Bye.